A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Mamukase, welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. So we have come back again with an important notification. Citizens Coalition for Change, Vani Rally, Irikunziyo, Path to Legitimacy. And according to Promise Mukwananzi, says, many of you have been asking where President Chamisa is and when you come out himself to address the nation. Well, on Sunday, the 17th of December, in the year of our Lord 2023, President Nelson Chamisa will address the nation in front of a bumper crowd at the Chibuku Stadium in Chitungwiza at 1000 hours in the morning. The police have been notified and ascended to the notification in terms of the laws of the country. President Chamisa, together with the members of the Citizens and National Assembly, national cluster leaders, provincial district ward, branch task force leaders, members of parliament, senators, councillors, mayors, and other top officials will chart the way forward for Zimbabwe, the path to legitimacy, and the steps we need to take together to extricate Zimbabwe from the current crisis and redirect it towards a new great Zimbabwe for everyone. A legitimate citizens government. See you there. So this is the notification, Team Zimbabwe, and Turamba Chingotika ngati share this video to as many people as possible. Trikuti mswe Sunday mangwana handeiteseka Chibuku Stadium, and to those who won't be able to make it to Chibuku Stadium, the right place to be is right here. We will be bringing you updates live from Chibuku Stadium, and that is our mandate, to make sure that you are well informed about the proceedings and what will be happening there. We want you to know with the President Vambotichi will be giving you all that information. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. We continue to update you and to tell you with Iowa, Hande, Chakachaya, Mangwana, Sunday, 17 December, the path to legitimacy rally by President Nelson Chamisa is on. And we need to embrace it. We need to be part of it. And this is a generational cause, and we have to fight for generational change. So it's Chitungwiza, Chibuku Stadium, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. See you right there. Keep on sharing and also subscribing.